Okay, also you need to check for safety issue. You need to check the bolt connection here. 1, 2, and one behind should be tight enough because this connect to the back seat and to the main frame. And for the back seat, just check the bolts is tight enough and to hold the back seat. And to check the bolts back seat, just make sure it's tight enough. You check the tire, the pressure, and make sure you have enough air, and the bolt, that's back seat and the front seat as well. To check the bolts, tire here. Also, before you start engine, make sure your cutter bar position is lowest position, like this. This is lowest, this is highest. Just make sure you put the lowest position. While your lowest pickup header, click this. After the pickup header is down, and put it back. Okay, before you start, you need to lower the pickup header to lowest position as well. Okay, before you start engine, make sure your main clutch is disengaged. This is disengaged, this is parking position. And your thresher clutch is disengaged before you start engine. And your gear should be in neutral first. If you start cold engine, first give a little bit of throttle. Then this is a gas linking switch. You put it on position, so in this case gas will go through the engine when you start engine. And again, if the engine is cold, you need a little bit of stroke, so put stroke. Now you start engine. By the way, this is the light switch. By default, you should be keep the light off, otherwise will the battery will be out. Okay, let's start engine. So after engine is started, you put a choke back to normal position. Okay, if you want the thresher running and the combine keep combine not moving, just use the thresher. So first, very important, make sure the gear is in neutral. The neutral is you can move up and down. That's neutral. And make sure that very important. And when you release clutch, listen, very important. Make sure you release thresher clutch first, slowly, putting engage position. Then you release main clutch. Now it's parking position. You switch one down here. This main clutch disengage position. Then you slowly release main clutch to engage position. Yeah, once again, very important. You release thresher clutch first and main clutch second. If you do the opposite, it will damage the machine. So please remember. So you want to stop the thresher, and when the combine is not moving, and so you first disengage the main clutch first, then disengage the thresher clutch. The thresher will be stopped. Now if you harvest in the field, so you want the combine move and the thresher working at the same time. So before you do that, make sure main clutch is in disengage and the thresher clutch is disengaged. You put gearbox to gear 1, so you can see the sign here. 1, 2, reverse, and the third gear. So it's down, left, let's gear 1, and neutral, up, left, let's gear 2, neutral, down, right, let's reverse, neutral, up, right, that's third gear. So in the farm, I suggest just use gear 1 and 2, because gear 3 is very fast, and it's designed for use on a paved road. So be careful. Don't use gear 3 in the farm when you harvest. So you want to stop the thresher, and when the combine is not moving, and so you first disengage the main clutch first, then disengage the thresher clutch. The thresher will be stopped. So now you want to harvest grains in the field, and you want the combine move the same time the thresher will be working. So first, make sure the main clutch disengaged and the thresher clutch disengaged. Then you put the gear you want to go. Usually I use one or two when you harvest. So one, for example, you choose one, like you up, left, that's gear one. So when you put the gear in position one, and you put a thresher clutch in you engage thresher clutch first slowly, then you release the main clutch. So while you release main clutch, make sure your left hand put on handle, because after you release the main clutch, the combine will start to move. Then slowly release the main clutch. So when you start the thresher, because thresher needs a lot of power, so before you start thresher, you need more throttle, more gas. So you put gas, a little bit more throttle right there, usually like at half. So after thresher is working, you can slow down the thresher to adjust the speed back. So after the thresher is start to work, and you pull the throttle back a little bit, so to adjust the speed of the thresher. Yeah, so the shredder is the place you can adjust the thresher speed. So you put left, more gas, and more shredder speed, more combine speed, and right, less thresher speed and less combine speed as well. So when you make turn, so this is left turn. If you press this, it's left turn. The right handle, same thing. This is right turn. Right turn when you want to make right. So this machine is designed when you want to make turns. This combination of handle turns and the wheel turns. So you have to do the same thing, same times. Handle, for example, you want to make left, press left turn, and this handle you want this. So this will go left. If you want to make right, you press right turn, and same time your feet control the wheel. So this is right, make right turn. So you can practice, so it does need practice when you drive this combine. Before you reverse, you have to make sure the back wheel is straight. And when you reverse, put the throttle in the minimal throttle. Now here's the switch. You can adjust the fan, the air. So in the middle position, that's minimum fan, minimum air in. So this is maximum air. This is maximum air too. So in order to adjust the air position, you need to first loosen the bolt right here. So loosen bolt so you can adjust. After adjust, you just tighten the bolt. So in this case, I'm gonna adjust to maximum air. So then tighten the bolt. Okay, you need a tool to tighten the bolt. That's it. Now when you adjust the seat, you can adjust the pickup header as well. Okay, that's highest one, and go back. Now when you adjust the seat, you can lower down the pickup head to even deeper lower. Okay, that's lowest level we can do. See, probably 10 inches, 8 inches, the pickup header cutter, and the cutter bar probably 5 inches deep.